Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will enable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. So what you need to do is go to the settings, so these three dots right over here, click on it and then go here to the settings. Click on that and this window will appear. Now we will navigate to the default browser right over here, like that, on the left hand menu. Now under Internet Explorer compatibility, so here you will see like that, allow, like that, allow site to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode E mode. Now what you need to do is just restart your Edge that we apply those changes, and that's basically how you can allow this EM mode. So when you're browsing in Microsoft Edge, if a site requires Internet Explorer for compatibility, you can choose to reload it in Internet Explorer mode. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.